So hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today we have Moto G9 Power, and today I am going to install SIM card SD card on this phone. Basically I made this video for you that you can know the SIM card slot is hybrid or non-hybrid. So guys, first step, power off the phone, long press the power key and power off the phone. After that, use a tool. Card slot is on left side. So guys, here you can see the phone SIM card slot is hybrid. So it means you can install two SIM card or one SD card, one SIM card same time into the phone, and after that you can buy third party SIM card slot which you have to install on SIM SD card, which you can get very easily from online marketing. So guys, here I am installing two SIM card and power on the phone. So guys, here the phone is powered on and I am waiting for network response. So guys, here I script the video because the phone has taken about 30 seconds. So guys, it was a wasted of time for me. So guys, here you can see from upside you can check out network, and from file manage you can see SD card is working or not working. Thank you for watching video. Bye bye.